Hamilton theorem say? Come this way. I'm sorry, the tripod I left it. I thought you all will not come after seeing my text. That's why. What is this Cayley-Hamilton theorem? They'll ask in 2 marks to write the statement. The statement is very simple. The statement goes like this. Every square matrix satisfies its own characteristic equation. Every square matrix satisfies. Video clear இல்லையம்மா? எந்தது பாதி விடுது? தியரம் மொத்தமா விடுதா? Cayley-Hamilton ங்கிறது உள்ளலையா? இப்படி சைடுல வை. போன. இல்ல இப்படி ஹாரிசான்டலா. வருதா? Are you able to see the board?
Ma'am, clarity இல்ல ma'am.
Clarity இல்ல, வேற ரூம் இல்ல, அதனால நாங்க ஒரு வேற ரூம்ல வந்து உட்கார்ந்துருக்கோம். அதான் இங்க ப்ராப்ளமே. லைட் இல்ல சஃபிஷியன்ட்டா. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? நீங்க இருக்கவங்கலாம் ஒரு 3 பேர் ஒரு போன்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்களா? இல்ல ஏன் போன் வேணா கூட எடுத்துக்கோங்க, உங்களுக்கு டேட்டா காட்டலனா. அப்படியே அட்டன் பண்ணிடுவோமா? இப்படி டைம் வேஸ்ட் ஆகாது இல்லமா? ஓகேவா உங்களுக்கு? யூ வாண்ட் மை ஃபோன்? somebody to attend my phone you want? இருக்கா? ஒரு 2 பேர் ஒரு போன்ல அட்டெண்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் அப்படியே ஜாம் போர்ட்ல டீச் பண்ணிடுறேன். கிளாரிட்டி இல்லைன்றாங்களே, போர்டு ரொம்ப கிளியரா இல்ல. இது இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் டாபிக். உங்களுக்கு ஓகேவா? Okay, children, I'll just swift some of them have come offline. I'll swift to Jamboard, like how I generally teach. Okay. Sorry. See if you're able to see my screen. The audio off. Yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So this Cayley-Hamilton theorem, I'm going to talk about Cayley-Hamilton theorem. And the statement says, every square matrix na, every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Its characteristic equation. Okay, that is a statement. The statement is very simple. So we'll go line word by word. Square matrix. You all know what's a square matrix? Square matrix order should be n by n, m by m, 2 by 2, 3 by 3. Number of rows, number of columns should be the same. Okay. You're able to listen? Okay. So that is a square matrix. What is this characteristic equation? So this characteristic equation means in matrices we have something called as eigenvalues, eigenvectors. Okay. So what we will do is first form the characteristic equation and then solve it. When you have any equation, when you solve that equation, you will get roots, correct? This characteristic equation, when you solve, you will get some roots. Those values are called as eigenvalues. E-I-G-E-N, okay? Eigenvalues. All right? So first, let us learn how to form the characteristic equation. Is the statement clear now to everybody? Yes, ma? Okay. Every square matrix satisfies its characteristic equation. Okay, so we will take a square matrix now. Suppose we take A11, A12, A21, A22. This is the square matrix. So I'll first form one equation. How does it look? That equation is of the form determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Okay, A minus lambda I equal to 0. I don't read modulus, I read it as determinant because matrix na determinant thana. Okay, determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0. A da in the matrix A, this matrix that I've written. What is that lambda? Lambda is some scalar. Scalar means what? Some real number with some quantity, 5, 4, 10, 15, all those are scalars. I use funny, 3i, 4i na vectors. Okay. Scalar na nato, just some small values, positive values we gently take. Okay, so lambda is a scalar. What is that I? I is unit matrix. We've studied unit matrix. Unit matrix means only along the diagonal you will have 1. Other elements are 0, correct? That is unit matrix. Okay, so 2 by 2 matrix inge eduthirukanaala I am taking a 2 by 2 unit matrix. 1 0 0 1. This is my I. So do I know everything now? I know A is given. I know I. Lambda is a scalar. We'll just call lambda as lambda itself. Don't substitute any value. Okay. Now, you all know addition of matrices, subtraction of matrices. We know that. Okay. Pay attention to what I'm doing. I have A, I have lambda, I have I. I want to form this one, which I've squared, I've written in determinant of A minus lambda equal to 0. That is called the characteristic equation. So I'm first forming the characteristic equation and then I'll move on to Cayley-Hamilton theorem. Now those attending online, is it clear up to here?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So let me form this. Okay, thank you. Let me form this now. A minus lambda I. A is a matrix, I is a matrix. So let me form this. A is this matrix. Okay. Minus lambda times I matrix. Because it's 2 by 2, I've taken 2 by 2. 3 by 3 matrix kudutanga 3 by 3 unit matrix edukano. Seriyama? Okay. Let us form this first. Understood, boys, both of you? Okay. இப்போ என்ன ஆயிரும் இந்த lambda உள்ள எடுத்துட்டு போனா when I take this lambda, no, that scalar inside, this becomes like this. Lambda 0, 0 lambda, correct? And then you know subtraction of matrices. So subtract. So what will you get? A11 minus lambda, A12 minus 0, A21 minus 0, A22 minus lambda, correct? Understood? This is my A minus lambda I. Now, characteristic equation means what? Determinant of A minus lambda I should be equal to 0. Okay, so let's find the determinant now. Okay, I'm going to find the determinant. You all know how to find the determinant? 2 by 2 matrix. So let's do that. Now I'm writing next step. I use another. Now I'm finding determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. I'm going to find that because it's an equation. So what will I get? Determinant of A11 minus lambda, A12, A21, A22 minus lambda equal to 0 is the characteristic equation of which one? The matrix A that I gave you. This is the characteristic equation of matrix A. That's all. Did everyone understand what is a characteristic equation? Yes? Oh. Children, any doubts? Those attending online?
No, ma'am.
No? Is it clear?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so learn this thing by heart. A minus lambda I, determinant of A minus lambda I. Okay. Now I'll do a simple example so you'll understand better. ஏதாவது ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க பாப்போம். நீங்களே சொல்லுங்க ஒரு மேட்ரிக்ஸ். 2 by 2 first. Then we'll move to 3 by 3. Okay. Tell me a 2 by 2 matrix, ma? Any matrix? 1. Tell me 2 by 2 matrix. 3,
2.
3, 1. 3, 2, 2, 4. Okay. So let me take this as A. Let A equal to. Okay. Then what should I first write? A minus lambda I. Then you write your I. I here is 1, 0, 0, 1. Therefore, what will happen to A minus lambda I? 3, 2, 2, 4 minus lambda 0, 0 lambda. Clear, ma? Okay. So this is equal to simplify 3 minus lambda 0. Sorry. Correct? Then 2, 4 minus lambda. This is my matrix. A minus lambda I. A minus lambda. It's my matrix. Another square brackets use pannirken parunga. It's just A minus lambda I. Next step, I'll calculate determinant of A minus lambda. So that is determinant of 3 minus lambda, 2, 2, 4 minus lambda. All right. Determinant means you know how to find out 3 minus lambda into 4 minus lambda. This side minus this arrow diagonal minus 4. Let us simplify this. 12 minus 4 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda minus 4. So let us simplify minus 7 lambda plus calculation. Check what is determinant of A minus lambda A. So we are doing it step by step. A is given, write I, then calculate A minus lambda I, which is a matrix, then find its determinant. Okay. Then finally, you should write the characteristic equation. The characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. Yeah, equation varanal equal to 0 podra. Purida? So the characteristic equation is determinant of A minus lambda I equal to 0. So that is here in this case you have lambda squared minus 7 lambda plus 8 is equal to 0. I hope all of you have understood. Have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The eigenvalues. Now, still
Ma'am, we can't hear it clearly, ma'am.
you can't hear me clearly, huh?
Yeah, ma'am.
I didn't speak anything, yeah. I'm just giving them time to write. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. The characteristic equation, quadratic equation. So we can solve it, correct? When we get two values, quadratic means we'll get two values, no? So those two values are called as what? Just now, eigenvalues. Eigenvalues. So let's, so I'm retaining the equation. Let me solve it. You all know how to solve quadratic equation? Can you tell me what are the roots of this equation? Any guess? Okay. Lambda square minus 7 lambda plus 8 to 0 means this is product. 8 is product. Sum is 7. Correct. So sum is equal to 8. One and 8 kota varuma. 1 into 8. 8 minus 1. Okay. Could we get how to write this? Okay, 8 பாருங்க lambda squared minus 8 minus 8. ப்ராடக்ட் வரணுமா? வரக்கூடாது இல்ல, ப்ராடக்ட் பிளஸ் வரணும். அப்ப பாசிட்டிவ் வரும். Tell me something.
Have -7, man. Not
This x into sum of the roots plus product roots. That's why I said quadratic எழுதுவோம். x minus x to sum of the minus x வந்து equationலயே வந்துரும். Plus sum plus yeah. So how do you solve it? Idea?
Ma'am, -8 plus 1, ma'am.
-8 plus 1. அதான் அவனும் சொன்னா. -8 plus 1 நீங்க எடுத்தீங்கனாலே ப்ராடக்ட் உங்களுக்கு மைனஸ் ப்ராடக்ட் பாருங்க. என்ன பண்ணலாம்? Okay, 8 again. What the problem? Plus 8. I want both to be positive. Only the positive part should be negative. Okay. Yeah. Then don't worry. Simply use the formula and factorize. It's not possible to factorize. Correct? Factorize formula.
Minus divided by
சொல்லு பாப்போம். தர 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 ஃபாஸ்டா சொல்றீ. Who's that?
minus b plus or minus root of அப்புறம்
4ac.
என்ன அது 4ac? வெறும் 4ac-யா? root of
minus 8 plus root of b square minus 8b.
This is the formula. You know what is here? A is 1, B is -7, C is 8. Now solve this. So you'll get two values for lambda. Tell me what you get. You get plus minus root 17 by 2. Yes. Okay. So one root 7 plus 17 by root 2. Another root is 7 minus root 17. Okay. So,
yeah, ma'am.
those attending online. So I've got two roots. Now eigenvalues. The eigenvalues are. Then you write these two values. That is it. I hope this concept of characteristic equations is clear. We'll do matrix. So in the topic முடிஞ்சிரும். A special we have a class tomorrow. Okay. Compensate class. More important the exam point of view. You study this definitely one question. That's easy to fetch marks also. Okay. So we'll do one 3x3 matrix now. Characteristic equation and eigenvalue. So that will complete our eigenvalues and characteristic. So in the next compensation class tomorrow, we will do Cayley-Hamilton theorem. I can spend even 1 more hour discussing this because it's important. Okay. With that, the first unit. No, I'm sorry. After doing Cayley-Hamilton, you also need to find the matrix using Cayley-Hamilton theorem. This is general A inverse and by different of A adjoint using concept. But you inverse of the matrix is easier. With be over. And matrices are able to follow what I'm doing. Okay. Right. Let's quickly take another 3x3 matrix and do the characteristic equation and also the eigenvalue eigenvector. Give me some simple values using zeros and the mari pannunga. Can anyone tell me that? One, two, three, then
0, 1, 2, ma'am. 1, 2.
0, 1, 2.
2, 1, 0.
0. Okay. Can I take this? Okay. With a few zeros, so it simplification would be easier. Just to illustrate. Okay. So what will be our I? I will be what? 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Correct? With 3 by matrix, accordingly, I'll write my units. So first step is calculate the matrix A minus lambda I. So you will have this A minus lambda I. So ones all would become lambda. Then subtract the matrices, these two matrices. So you would get 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 0. 1 minus lambda, 2, 2, 1 minus lambda. Please check my calculations. It's right. Correct? Okay. Next is we find the determinant. Thank you. Yeah. Next we find the determinant and equate it to 0. So let's see what we get. We will get an equation. Determinant of 1 minus lambda, 2, 3, 0, 1 minus lambda, 2, 2, 1 minus lambda. Okay. So let's do this. This is equal to 1 minus lambda into this into this. Okay. 1 minus lambda into minus lambda minus 2. Correct? If I go wrong anywhere, you please tell me. The next one is this one. That will come with minus 2. Enappa? 0 over the minus 2 into 0 minus 4 la. புரியலையே செகண்ட் ரோ இல்ல 0 இருக்கு இல்ல 0 இன்டு போட மாட்டோமே நம்ம ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ரோல இருக்கிற செகண்ட் நம்பர் தானே எடுப்போம் 1 மைனஸ் லாம்டா அதுக்கப்புறம் மைனஸ் 2 தானே எடுப்போம் புரியல ஓ நீ இந்த பக்கம் பண்ண போறீங்களா okay usually determinant எடுக்கும்போது we take only the rows so if it's convenient you can take but I'm not sure we'll get the same answer we'll check that நீங்க check பண்ணி பாருங்க okay minus 2 into 0 minus lambda is 0 minus 4 okay the next one is plus 3 into 0 minus 2 let us simplify this so we get 1 minus lambda plus lambda squared minus 2 plus 8 minus 6. That is equal to, I am multiplying that 1 minus lambda again. Yes, you wanted to say something?
Yes, ma'am. 3 பக்கத்துல 0 minus 2 into lab 1 minus lambda வரும் ma'am.
0 minus 2. என்ன வரும்பா? சொல்லு திருப்பி. 3 into this minus this தானே? 0 minus 2 தானே?
0 minus 2.
2 into 1 minus lambda. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. The 1 and
Okay,
1. Fine. Thank you, pa. Thank you. 2 into 1 minus lambda. Yeah. Okay. Please check my calculations. So what will happen now? You would have minus 6 into 1 minus lambda. Okay, let us simplify this now. So I'll have minus lambda plus lambda squared. நீங்க பண்ணிட்டே இருங்க. நான் பண்றது கரெக்டான்னு மாத்திரம் செக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. Minus lambda cube minus 2 plus 2 lambda plus 8 minus 6 plus 6 lambda. Okay, my determinant of a minus lambda. I should equate it to 0. Okay. See if my calculations are right. If you're doing it, you can check it. So I'll have something like this. Determinant of a minus lambda I equal to 0 is minus lambda cubed 6, 8 minus 7 lambda 2 lambda squared 2 lambda squared 8 7 lambda 2 minus 2 0 equal to 0. Is my calculation right? You can check this. Sorry? 7 appa? Seven lambda. Okay, okay. Constant is 0 only, no? Is this right now? So this is the characteristic equation. That is all. This characteristic equation. Clear? Okay, now we'll go one more step and solve this. If we solve this, we'll get some. How many roots will we get? It's a cubic equation. So how many roots will you get? 3 roots. So you'll get 3 eigenvalues. Let's do that now. See, there is no constant. எல்லாமே lambda la irukku. So easy or lambda வெளிய எடுத்துறலாம். We can take a lambda out. So I'll get something like this. Okay. So either your lambda is equal to 0 or minus lambda squared plus 2 lambda plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is one eigenvalue. Already we got. Lambda values are called eigenvalues. Okay. Now this is a quadratic again. If you don't know how the factors would be, it's not possible for us to get the factors in this case. So again, we have to use the formula minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac by 2a and solve. So you'll get 2 roots. And those 2 are also eigenvalues. Let's do that now. So I'm solving this particular equation. Minus b plus or, what happened? Plus or minus root of b squared minus 4. A is minus 1. C is 7 by 2a. So I get minus 2 plus or minus root of 4 plus 28 by minus 2. 32. I'm just simplifying, okay? 8 fours are, so that I can write it as, if I take it out of the root, it becomes 2. Arunika Puridama? Really? You have some doubts. After which one, ma? Can you show me what you've written? Because I've cleaned the screen. Can you bring it? Bring your notebook, please. I'll do it on the board now. Now, those of you attending online, do you have any doubts?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you can complete the eigenvalues for these 3 values. Now, some of them are having doubts here. I'll do it on the board. So you just stay here. No problem. சொல்லுங்கம்மா இங்க நீங்க சொல்லுங்க 4 4 8 4 சொல்லுமா அனுசிஷா just tell me can you tell me the matrix 1 2 3 0 1 2 2 1 0 okay so I write this as 1 into this is lambda is this is a minus lambda is 1 minus lambda here you have a minus lambda 0 minus lambda correct okay so 1 minus lambda is 1 so I take this 4 factor 1 minus lambda into minus lambda minus 2 okay that is over now you take this second one always is minus I told you for 4 factors also we take minus so the second one is minus so I take this then I move this row and this column again the row and column அதை விட்டுட்டு நீங்க இந்த row இந்த column இருக்குன்னா அதோட minus என்னது 4 factor என்னது 0 வந்து 0 அது எடுக்கணும் அதை எடுக்கணும் அதோட டினாமினேட்டர் எடுக்கணும்னா அர்த்தம் இது மைனஸ் இது அது சரியா புரிஞ்சுக்கறப்ப மைனஸ் எடுக்கிறேன் 4 factor எடுக்கிறேன் 0 எடுக்கிறேன் மைனஸ் கரெக்டாமா அப்புறம் பிளஸ் இது அப்புறம் எந்த ரோ இருக்கு எந்த காலம் இருக்கு இது ரோ இது அந்த டினாமினேட்டர் அது நீங்க ரொம்ப டினாமினேட்டர் அப்ப என்ன இது இருக்கு மைனஸ் இது 2 into 1 ஓகேவா இப்போ பண்ணிட்டீங்க இல்லையா ஓகே சோ அப்ப இத சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணுங்க சிம்பிளிஃபை பண்ணா நம்ம பண்ணிட்ட ஈக்குவேஷன் வரும் பொறுமையா பண்ணலாம் அவசியமே கிடையாது இட்ஸ் நோ ஹரி அட் ஆல் ஓகேமா if I'm too fast also you can tell me okay generally I have the tendency to teach maths children which are some basics so but some of you are from arts you want me to go a little slow please tell me I'll stop and those attending online are you able to understand
Yes, ma'am.
okay so the three values that you got for lambda are called as eigenvalues okay that is all so we have studied today what is a characteristic equation of a matrix and how to find the eigenvalues of the characteristic equation okay right so I can give you more problems for you to work out and see for yourselves then you more number of problems you do for practice you will be able to do it faster okay right shall we stop here for today is this topic clear 1 minute I'll mark the attendance any doubts for anyone attending online all your names have come new list is put today so all your names